Alright, Maddie, on a scale from 1 to 10, how excited are you to ride Space Mountain?
0.
0?
What's a 0?
Nothing.
Nothing. You guys are doing it anyway. Y'all know I can't go to the Magic Kingdom and not go see the Evil Queen. Can we get the cackle?
Maddie, give us your review, Maddie.
0 is when Belle's crying over Beast when she thinks that he dies. And number 10 is when all the characters come back to human.
What would you give it?
A 10.
Alright, Maddie, on a scale from 1 to 10, how excited are you to ride Space Mountain?
0.
0?
What's a 0?
Nothing.
Nothing. You guys are doing it anyway. Alright, Maddie Grace just rode Space Mountain. How was it?
0.
Okay, 0. So now we're going to do Tomorrowland Speedway. You excited about this? Think this will be better than Space Mountain? Alright, we'll find out. We'll see how it goes. Why are you trying to poke my eyes out with your horns? Would I normally recommend Tomorrowland Speedway to adults coming to Magic Kingdom? No. But if you have younger members of your family with you who can't drive a normal car, it's pretty entertaining to let them take the wheel. The crashing and clanging around is actually a pretty fun time. Here we go, Maddie. Oof.
Kind of hard to control.
That's all right.
Good thing we're not crashing today.
That's right. At least we're on a track.
We're hitting the side.
I know. Gotta try to stay in the middle. Push it down. Do you want me to push and you just steer? Okay. Here we go.
Do you have to stay on the same track now?
Yeah, it keeps us on the same track. The Tron coaster's gonna be. Ah!
Trying to stay in the middle.
Lady driver coming through. Lady driver coming through.
No, you're not as bad as Molly. How'd it go, Mad?
Good. Love it.
All right, we're here with 7-year-old Maddie Grace. Just got off Tomorrowland Speedway. How do you rate this, Mad?
100.
100? The winner?
Yes.
What did you think of Space Mountain?
0.
0?
Wait. The thing after 0, before 0?
So like a negative number?
Yep. -1.
So do you recommend it?
No. For kids, no.
For kids?
For grown-ups, it's fine.
Okay. You heard it here, folks.
And I'm Auntie Beth.
What?
I said Auntie Beth. Restart. I'm better.
There's
Son.
Now for the world-famous Jingle Cruise.
Oh my word. Craziness. We've got a hole. That's why you never give a rhino a fruitcake. Makes them crazy. And that's also why you never want to be alone.
And after all of that, Maddie Grace decided that she does, in fact, like Space Mountain.